Okay, in today's class, we are discussing day 13 page validations. So, first of all, we are seeing TC01 is displayed, this program. So,
Okay, okay.
so now let me go to Orange HRM application. So, here I'm navigating to admin 123 like that, and I want to check particular web element is displayed or not on a page. Okay, that scenario how to do that part we will see. So once I clicked on login page, I navigated to home page, and if any of the admin button or welcome button is available on my home page, which means I'll successfully landed on my home page. Otherwise, login is failed. Okay, so first of all, I'm creating my web element object like this. So admin web element, and if admin dot is displayed is a method to check particular web element is available on. So the if this condition is true, then it will be navigated to this part. In case if this condition is failed, this method will return false condition, so then it will go to the login field. Okay, so now
So
let's
what exactly is this is displayed checking? Because there is no
is displayed
parameter.
this particular web element is displaying or not on the particular web page. That's it, it will check.
The menu admin
Mm.
part.
Yeah, yeah, this web element is available or not once you navigated to home page. So if
Hmm.
it is available, just a minute. If it is available, which means login is success, I can say. If it is not available, login is failed. Okay, so how to write simple if conditions we are understanding, and how to do the validations part we are understanding.
Okay.
And these three methods are very important in the interview point of view.
Hmm.
So like this. So this is the basic program. Wherever you go,
Hmm.
if the somebody people interview people are asking, write a simple program, login is success or login failed. They will ask you, we can write like this. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the program everywhere they are asking. And coming to the next one. Okay. And I want to check is previously we discussed is displayed. Now I'm going to tell you
Hmm.
is enabled. So
Yeah.
is enabled means whether the particular web element is enabled or not on a particular web page. Okay. So I
Hmm.
will show you that web element. See here my web element is not enabled. So I cannot do anything. So text field is enabled on the web page. Text field is not enabled on the web page. If this is true, this will be executed. If this is not true, this will be printed. Okay. So let's run this one. Right. Text field is not enabled on the web
Hmm.
page. That's what we have seen. Okay. In the interview point of view, is displayed or is enabled or is selected. These questions,
Hmm.
100% interview questions in the Selenium.
Okay. Okay.
So driver dot find element by ID category. So in this web page, I'm checking for particular checkbox is selected or not. So if it is selected, it will display a checkbox is selected on the web page. If it is not selected, checkbox is not selected on the web page, it will be displayed. So let's
Hmm.
check this. So here my checkbox is not selected. So it will show you checkbox is not selected on the web page.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Checkbox is not selected on the web page. So now we understood how to do the validations related to by using the fixed methods in Selenium. Is
Yes.
displayed, is enabled, and is selected. And now let's go to the
So